I'm Coco Denise, and if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe because my channel is going to blow. I am super excited today, guys. I have a new African head wrap that I ordered from Anew. We're gonna try this on together and see if it's really worth the money that they charge for these things. The actual head wrap was $29.78 and shipping was $8.99. Personally, I feel like the product was a little expensive and the shipping was a little expensive. I looked at this a few times when they showed me the ads on Facebook, and I decided to not get it each time because I'm like, it's really like almost $40 for this thing. It's pretty much $40 when you pay for the item plus the shipping. But then I just went ahead and did it because seriously, if this actually works and does everything that I believe it's going to do, it's going to be worth the money. It's going to be worth me not leaving the house looking like a hot mess every other day. Okay? All right, so let's go ahead and open this. All right, so it does look like it's good quality. It is a good quality. The inside is satin lined. The entire inside is satin lined. The outside is a wax cotton fabric. Based on the product information, it says that it stretches 24 inches. The item measures 51.3 by 3.54 inches. So we'll see. Just looking at it, it looks like it's a little too small for my head and for my hair, but hopefully that's not the case, especially with this long wrap, which it's pretty long. I can't even put one side on the camera. This is one side, so it stretches a lot. So that's pretty good. Some things that I do want you to know about this before I go ahead and try it on is that you do have a 14-day money-back guarantee, and it was made in US. It's shipped from Illinois, which again, I don't understand why the shipping was so much. This is not a sponsored video. I just wanted to try this and see how I like it. So, alrighty. So I'm just gonna put my hair in a ball and put this part. So this part is like a bonnet. Okay, it fits. It fits. Ha! It fits. So all my hair does go in here. So it's like a shower cap, pretty much. It's like a bonnet. It's like a bonnet, pretty much. It's a bonnet with the straps. So. Get the straps in order. I think you're supposed to do this. Yeah, you are. You're supposed to twist it. So it makes it look a little better. Back. Bring it back around and twist it again. Okay, so twist it again. Oh wait, no. And then you just tuck the sides in. What do you guys think? I think I like it. I think it looks better with some hoops. I think I would need to put some hoops on and my lip gloss because I don't usually wear lipstick. But if you wear lipstick, a pop of red would look really good with this. It's not tight at all. I can probably do some more edges. I would probably put some hair out right here, and I would lay my edges a little more. But I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. So what I'm gonna do is I am gonna wear it around, and I'm gonna let you guys know if I agree, if I still like it after I wear it, how it wears out. I guess I'll just probably put a comment or something. I love the fact that I can just run to the grocery store, put this on, and put together, and not have to worry about people looking at me saying I have on a bonnet. Even though this is technically a bonnet, I think it's a go for me. I definitely want to know what you ladies think about this. But so far, I think I like it. I think I like it. That's all for today, friends. Make sure if you haven't, you go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.